Good day once again, everyone, and I want to use this opportunity to welcome you to Mathematics Solution Center. Today, we are going to be looking at a question that says, a straight line makes an angle of 30 degrees with the positive x-axis and cut the y-axis at y is equal to 5. Find the equation of the straight line. Let this represent our y-axis, and this is our x-axis. Y, this is the line we are talking about that makes an angle of 30 degrees. Okay, let's take a look at this. The slope of this line under normal definition of slope is actually equal to change in a y-axis over change in x-axis. But let's evaluate tan 30. Tan 30 will also be equal to what? The opposite, which is change in y over change in x over the adjacent. Therefore, you can see that this and this are equal. So what this implies is that m is equal to tan 30. The slope of the line is equal to the tan of the angle the line makes with the horizontal. Take note of that. If the slope is in tan 30, what will now be the actual value of the slope? Tan 30 is the same thing as root 3 over 3. The question says that the line passes through point y is equal to 5. At that point where the line cut the y-axis, we can use this general equation y is equal to mx plus c. The equation of a line is equal to this, where c is the point where the line cut the y-axis, the intercept on y-axis. Ym represents the slopes. Okay, therefore I have y is equal to, my slope is what? Root 3 over 3, and then x plus 5. This is the equation of the line. But if you check this option now, there's nothing like that. There's nothing related to that. So you have to work more on your answer for you to be able to see what is equal to your answer in the options. Let's keep on working on this. All I'm going to do, let's multiply through by 3. I have 3 times y, that is 3y, is equal to root 3x, then plus 3 times 5, 15. And if you check again, this is not still in the options. Okay, let's divide through by root 3. I have over root 3 over root 3, everything over root 3. Root 3 we cancel root 3 here. Therefore, we are left with 3y over root 3 is equal to x plus 15 over root 3. And let's rationalize this and this. I have 3y over root 3 times root 3 over root 3 is equal to x plus 15 over root 3 times root 3 over root 3. So I have 3y root 3 over 3. 3 we cancel 3 is equal to x plus 15 root 3 over root 3 times 3 is also 3. 3 goes there 1, 3 goes there. I have 5. Therefore, I have y root 3 is equal to x plus 5 root 3. Okay, this is what we have, but don't forget that this y root 3 can also be written as root 3 then times y outside here is equal to x plus 5 root 3. Let's check this answer among the options. Root 3 times y is equal to x plus 5 root 3. Option D is the correct answer. If this tutorial is in any way useful to you, please kindly help us to click the subscription button and don't forget to like and share it. At the same time, put on the notification button so that you will be notified anytime we give a new video. Thanks and remain blessed.